Good morning, children. Before I start your revision for your examination, I just want to discuss some of the points in general. I don't understand. There are few students, handful of you, two, three of you, who are not attending these online classes. Now you will think, how do I know about it? Who are those students? Yes, I have the name list. Who are those students? Just marking your attendance, sending the SMS does not mean that you're attending the classes. No. Secondly, we teachers out here, it's not that suddenly we became a teacher. If you think you're too smart, you're wrong. Now the question is, how do I come to know that some of you are not attending the classes? Tomorrow your examination is going to begin, and now few of you, two, three of you, okay, not even as out of majority if you are attending, it's good. I can get to know from your assignment submission records and everything. But there are a handful of you, those who are not at all bothered. You are living in your own world. Why am I saying this? Now I'm receiving messages from some of the students that, sir, what is the syllabus for the examination? Now, yesterday, day before yesterday. Whereas the syllabus was already shared with you a week ago, previous last Monday or Tuesday, right? I have in record. You can see it where it was shared. It was shared maybe in a written format in the campus care. It was shared maybe in a verbal format, orally. So if those syllabus which were shared in a verbal format, you haven't attended, you haven't watched the videos as well. You are not attending these videos, these visual classes. If you would have attended, you wouldn't have asked. That is one from where I got to know. Secondly, the assignments which were shared earlier, okay, during your usual classes and even during the revision classes, some of you, those who are submitting it, I have the record, and those people, those who are not submitting it, now when you go get those questions, you say that these questions are new. What do you mean by these questions are new? So that again says that you are not reading your textbook. All these questions are from your text. Some of them from the exercise, some of them in between the textual content. But how will you know, right? It will be new for you, right? Because you are seeing these questions for the first time. You have never attended any visual classes. You have, you know, you just download this, what do you call, the written material which is being shared in the campus care as and when you feel like, you copy it down. That's all. Do you think that that is what online classes mean? You're wrong. This, some of you have taken this online classes for fun. Mark my word, those students, those few students, you will be responsible for the consequences. All right, what did you do so many days? Your, I'm always open for your clarification. But what do you mean by clarification query? That, sir, I did not understand this paragraph. Sir, what do you mean by this question? Sir, can you share me this answer? I'm not able to find. Those are not your queries. Your queries are, what is the syllabus? This question is new. These are your queries. Very good. Keep it up. And especially this, which class is this? Class 8. 8 section A. I told earlier also, this is the third time you do not read any message which is sent from the school's end, be it from the principal's end or from any of the teacher's end. Why? Because on your off days, when you have holidays, say for example Saturdays or maybe some even in between, you are still marking your attendance. That is another proof that you don't read the messages which is or the information, the notice which is being communicated from the school's end. You think that the school is closed. If the school is closed, then what is going on here? What am I doing here? It is the school building which is closed, not the school. Do as you wish and pay for it. Okay? Very soon, when everything will be back to normal. So you think this mode of online classes pandemic will go on years after years? No, my dear. If that is your understanding, if you are in that thought, remove that. You have got misconception. I don't understand this few students, one, two of you. What's wrong with you people? Instead of utilizing the time in the best possible manner, you're just wasting your time. And the entire blame comes upon the teacher. Out of 50, 60 students, there's different sections we have. How come only one, two of you did not get the syllabus and others they got? Why only one, two of you did not get the answers which is being shared from my end, or the questions and others they got? If you attend, you will get. If you don't attend, you will not get anything. I will not share, let me tell you, I will not share to you anything in a written format from now. I'll do it in between, depending upon the situation. Generally, what will I do now, henceforth? I'll see the students, you think you're too smart, I'll break this. Everything will be discussed. Everything in bits and bytes. Nothing will be left out, starting from your exercise, explanations, everything, but verbally. So, which means if you attend this visual classes, if you watch these videos, then you will get the information, message, explanations, or else you will not get. Just copying down the notes does not mean class is over. No. You have to listen to the explanation. I'm just talking to myself. Huh? I'm barking. I'm barking, right? I'm shouting, screaming for my own purpose. And then at the end of the day, sir, what is the chapter? It is being already told to you. And now you're asking, what did you do last week? Very good. Now let me come to your this, what do you call? A recapitulation, quick recapitulation of the topics which has been discussed earlier. So I hope by now you know the chapters of your exams. Exam commences from tomorrow, and now you are asking me, what type of student you are? You are not at all serious with your studies. Remember, what we give is what we get in return. Huh? Alright, let me just discuss as because exam will start from tomorrow. So as a whole, okay. So yes, first of all, you need to go through the entire book, the whole chapter, exercise, glossary, everything. So let me share with you first of all this what you call the question pattern. So you'll be getting MCQs, okay. You'll be getting this what do you call fill in the blanks. You'll get true or false, okay, short answer question and long answer question. Hold on. Yes. So this is a question pattern. So I repeat, what did I say? MCQ, fill in the blanks, true or false, short answer question, long answer question. All right. Now, you may think that where is glossary? Very good. Not we don't have to study. No, wrong. Even glossary is included, but not in the form of glossary or word meaning or vocabulary. You can get that in the form of an objective short answer question. You can get in the form of true or false. You can get in the form of fill in the blanks. So which means even you have to read that as well. Okay, everything. Now some of the questions I'll discuss with you, okay, in general. So like this, what do you call, resources, from where we get resources, and this, what do you call, the feeling of this, what do you mean by nationalism, right? That patriotism, you can say this, what do you call, the organs of government, non-renewable resources, and this Britishers, they had the specialized institutions, right, to keep records of those. What do you mean by decent industrial revolution? We have a constitution. Yeah, resources, I already told you, human made resources, localized resources, another thing, ubiquitous resources, right? Federalism. Next we have this map, right? Who prepared the first map and all, and also the dates. Be careful, history dates, when. Next, colonization, right? The British era, the British rule. So see, all these things were discussed, but some of you again say, so what is this? I'll know. Some of it will come. That's because you haven't attended the earlier classes. So how will you know? These terminologies will be new for you, right? Provided if you would have attended, then something you would have, oh, these are quite easy, as because this has been already discussed, it has been already explained. Next we have this, what do you call, there was a British writer, right? James Mill something. Remember? I explained already. Wait. Page number 127. Yeah. You go to page number 131 under a topic this modern Indian colonial perspective. Okay, what were our image of India for this Britishers. See page, now flip the page, next page. You see this, what do you call, the history of British India written by this British thinker and historian James Mill. So this already discussed. Next we have this, what do you call, drafting committee of Indian Constitution. Next we have this, the official documents which were preserved by the Britishers for their records, and also how can we from this resource, how can we protect, how can we save resource, right? How can we conserve resource? So these are some of the topics in general. I thought of sharing this with you in a written format. I typed it out, the last night. But when I was thinking, like, what is this? How come the students, they are not even aware of the syllabus? Then that is what it strike me, which means you are not attending this visual classes, video clips. You're not listening to it. If you would have, you wouldn't have asked. Fine. Every problem has a solution. We can sort it out, right? We can sit together. I love my students love me, so I'm here for you. Fine, you will not get this written format. If you listen to this, the one which I'm discussing now, good, you'll be beneficial. Otherwise it'll be you who will be in loss. So that's all, nothing much. Study well, read the text, okay? And also each and everything, glossaries and this, what is this? Wait. Before we start the chapter, like for example, if you see your first chapter of geography, there is something called let's get started, right? If you go to your previous visual clips, which is being shared from my end, the explanation classes, you see, even this topics, let's get started, has also been discussed earlier. It's a kind of an introduction for the chapter, so you may get questions from there as well. Huh? That's all. And yes, those out of the box students, I have the list. Good. Only that much I will say as of now. What happened to my eyes, man? Nothing much. Yeah. So good. Keep it up. Accordingly, you will get your results. Before I end the class, see, my dear children, make use of this time in a wise manner, because once this time goes out from your hand, you will not able to bring it back. Trust me, children. I think you guys are grown up kids, right? You might have already heard that time is the most precious thing. So study well. There are many things to discuss. I will end here today. We will discuss as this goes on, as this it goes on, it continues. So see you in the next class. Until then, God bless you all. Study well. All right. Bye.